Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you very much for clicking play. I'm doing a different kind of video today. I'm going to make something. I've got a recipe. I'm going to follow it to the T and I'm making some food. So why don't you guys come with me? Let's see what I've got in the bag. Where's the bag? So, went to Aldi, yeah? If you wanna save money, shop in Aldi. Trust me. Got some prawns. I mean, it's not your big king prawns though, is it? It's like that, you know, on a budget kind of prawns. 2 bags of those. Yeah. Got cream, double cream, 2 of those. Extra virgin olive oil, extra. Got that. Got some parsley, fresh as well. So you know, I do this like the Black Gordon Ramsay, yeah. Gotta keep it olive. Jelly babies. Can't go wrong with these. These are sick sweets, these. Some cherry tomatoes. Black pepper. Lemon juice. And then I got baby spinach. I know the recipe asked for baby kale, but I couldn't find it, so I just went for the spinach instead. I'm sure it'll be fine. Fresh Italian spaghetti. Spaghetti. Can't go wrong with that. And then this really bad cheese, but we'll make it work. And last but definitely not least, we have garlic. So, how do I put these ingredients together to make something amazing? Well, let's find out together. To prepare my ingredients so that I can just move in and pick up what I need to pick up when I need to pick it up, so nothing is in the way. So, I'm gonna start by chopping the garlic. I think you're funny.
No, don't do it on the plate.
So, got a plate here. Make sure you wash your tomatoes, yeah? Make sure you wash your tomatoes. Everywhere. Now all you're gonna do is slice them in half, right? Like so. Just in half.
Do you need a hand? No, okay.
I've got this. Just in half.
Sing for the people or should cook?
Yeah, you can sing for the people, also cook if you want.
I don't know.
Or you can help me with the camera so you're moving it around so it's on my face. And it's... See what I have to work with. I mean, the recipe said 450 grams of this. I mean...
Have you got a scale though?
Yeah. But
What
I'm
is
just
it?
gonna go. Let me see what this. So this says 350 grams, right? The recipe asks for 450, so I'm just gonna have to cut all these then. I'm already going off the recipe.
Well, that's not enough then.
I know.
100 grams short.
Yeah, it's fine. Guys, next time you go shopping and you're following a recipe that's not yours, make sure you buy enough ingredients.
Wait, let me do a mukbang whilst you're doing that.
I want to try this.
But listen to my mukbang.
You get away and stop doing that.
Listen, the mukbang was...
People come to Tim's kitchen not to hear you do that.
Listen, one more time. It's a mukbang.
I don't think anyone cares. I personally don't care.
Mukbang lovers love it. This one more time.
Yeah, I don't think I've got any mukbang lovers on my channel, love.
See? This will bring more views to him. Pop cooking channel / mukbang.
But it's not, is it? Right, okay guys. Once you've chopped up all the tomatoes like so, for just clean as you go, and then just pick them. Don't worry, my hands are washed. Put them back in there for storage.
It's been itching, you guys.
I beg, could go and sit down somewhere, please. You don't want to help me cook, but you want to stay there and make silly comments. Okay, so that is done.
That is done.
That is done there. Okay, next up, because the recipe asked for baby kale and I don't have baby kale, I've got baby spinach. I'm just gonna chop that up into little bits and put it to the side as well. So you know, getting all my ingredients ready so that when I start cooking, literally it's just a breeze.
You know that kale and spinach are not the same thing. It's like completely different consistency.
Gee, you don't say. Kale and spinach are not the same thing, guys. Wow, maybe the different name didn't give it away.
Wow, you've got foul attitudes. I'm just trying to help you.
Clearly you're not, are you? Right, okay. Wow. Remember, clean as you go. Now rinse this out before you start chopping the baby kale, if you've got it.
Or spinach.
In my case. So, once you've got that washed, put it down there. Oh, anywhere safe, really, to be honest. It's not like you have to put it here. So this says that it's washed and it's ready to eat, but I don't trust this. Wash it yourself to be sure before. So you're not really chopping them that tiny. It's not like... And I know there's probably going to be some proper chefs out there who are going to cringe at the way I'm holding this knife and chopping. But I'm not a trained chef. I don't know how to guide the knife using my, you know, yeah, exactly. I don't know how to do that. So, yeah. You know what? Just to be safe, I'm gonna go through and just like make them a little bit smaller again. Just like dicing through. Like so. Yeah. I think that's okay. So that's fine. I'm gonna move this onto the plate that I had earlier. Just on the side, like that. Like so. Okay. And again, remember guys, clean as you go. Okay, bin. Okay, that is the prep done. So I'll show you what I've done now, and then I'll start cooking and I'll take you guys with me. Tomatoes there. You got the prawns, your cream, your olive oil, your garlic, your parsley. Time to get going. So yeah, okay, so this should take about 4 minutes to cook. There's probably a better way of doing this, but I'm gonna do it this way.
Hi guys, so your chef doesn't know what he's doing, so I've had to step in and save the day. If, like him, you've got a pan that's too small, this is what you do.
Why are you speaking so slow? It's weird.
So people can understand. Are you going to dictate how I speak now? Is that what you're going to do?
Just do the job in your card for. Please. Please, of course. Bloody hell.
Say sorry. Say sorry or else I'm going to go.
Oh my god. Just...
Say sorry because this rudeness is unnecessary.
Sorry.
Say one more cheeky word and I'm going to leave. Anywho. So this is what you do. Take your spaghetti. Then you do this. Oh, put it on the top. Spread it out like this.
Is that all you're doing? And I called you to do that? I could have done that myself.
Have I finished?
Oh, okay.
Oh, do you know what? I'm going to sit down. I don't need this, me. So cheeky. You've got a big mouth, but you don't know what you're doing. I'm trying to help you. No respect for your elders. Anyway, so you just spread it out like so. And then when it goes soft, you just push it down.
Put all of it in?
You put all of it in. I'm sure you can do it yourself. That's what you said, no? Can I have a prawn?
No.
Please.
Well, thanks for your help. Well, let's get back to it.
Can you guys smell that?
Next up, it's adding the tomatoes to the pan and cook until beginning to soften. So about 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and then we're going. So all of these tomatoes, you see them, they go into the pan just like so. Yeah. Season, salt on your hand. That's too much salt. Don't put all of it in there. See?
You better put a pinch.
You didn't say a pinch. You just said season with salt.
How much do you want them to put?
So when you guys are cooking, just do it how you want it, how you see it. And then say to cook this until it starts to soften, and then the time on there was about 3 minutes, so I'll just eyeball it and see how it goes.
Everything in this kitchen's been eyeballed.
Of course. Maybe from this angle there. Give him a different shot right there from this side. Yeah, there we go.
I don't like how the chef speaks to the chef. No respect.
So 3 minutes, season with salt and pepper, then add wine, cook until mostly reduced. So I'm guessing we're gonna this is the part where we cook it for a bit, right? Make it simmer so all the flavors settle together. Yeah, you see that? That's gonna go in there in the next 3 minutes. That's probably way too much. Wait, shouldn't there be like... Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. 60 mils. 60 mils. 60 mils of wine, 50 mils, so I'm gonna just eyeball this. Yeah.
What if you don't drink alcohol?
You're cooking it, so it's just it's gonna be cooked. I don't know. If you don't drink alcohol, use chiller.
Doesn't alcohol evaporate?
So why are you asking questions you know answers to?
Yeah, but people might want to ask a question. You're so aggressive.
Apparently, according to this girl over here, alcohol evaporates, so you have nothing to worry about. Add said alcohol, and then just let simmer. Can you smell that?
I'm going.
So it'll be a full tub of this. I mean, this is a bit extra because that's like 300 mils, so I'm going 60 over, but There's nothing wrong with having an extra creamy, you know, sauce, because this is what we're going for, creamy sauce. So, you know, if anything, I bought 2 of them. I might even add a bit more just to get it to be a little bit more creamy. It's the cream. Add. She's feeling herself. She's feeling herself. So, okay. So you get the cream in there. Yeah, so that you guys think I'm measuring, but really, I'm just gonna put in same amount as the wine, really. Add the Parmesan. Fake Parmesan. Okay. That sauce now has thickened. Also, I think. So next up now, add the pasta, add the kale, toss and toss and toss and toss and toss and toss and toss. Get your pasta, get one of these. Lose the water, bring here, and tip. Of course, you are going to need a bigger pan than this because I've not even finished adding the rest of the stuff and I'm already, you know, at the end. Get your prawns. Do it with a bit more finesse than that, because that was just ridiculous. 5-second roux. You get your baby spinach. Add there. Like I say, improvise. Cook this, make sure it's cooked. Alright guys, this is the food all plated up. If I don't say so myself, I think it looks amazing. So now what we're gonna do is put some cheese on top of it, and then we're gonna go taste it. I'll ask the girls what they think, and then that'll be it. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this, right? Apparently they are women, they're not girls. Alright guys, so this is the first taste of the food. They've not tested it yet, so let's see what you guys think. Have I done a good job or not?
First of all,
I've not even tested it myself, you know.
This portion is massive, let's just be real.
I've had to off mine, that's why my plate might look a bit messy.
I'm giving you more than they give in the restaurants.
You'll see.
Okay.
Use your words.
I like it because it's not too creamy and the flavors are there. I can taste them. I don't really like prawns like that, but I like these ones. The tomatoes that make the difference.
I like the creaminess because I really, really love creamy food. And the prawns are full of flavour. So this is really good, babe. Good job. Shit, fork, cheers.
And Corona.
Oh yeah. Ooh. Out of 10. 7.
What about you two?
Quite high actually, because I can taste garlic.
Oh, that's
I can still taste the cheese. I can taste the seafood in it. So when I rate food, I always think I want to be able to taste the ingredients. You might not have used what I've just said, but that's what I can taste. And I think the tomatoes make a difference with the creaminess. It's not like a milky, cheesy, because sometimes you can get something that's a bit too milky. But I think the tomatoes take away that milkiness so that you can actually enjoy the cheese, so it's not too cheesy.
And I prefer the spinach because it adds to the creaminess rather than the kale. I think would have been a bit dry.
Oh no.
Yeah, I like
Don't
it.
put kale.
No, but the recipe said kale.
Spinach is better.
And I don't usually like cherry tomatoes, but I like the way you've cooked them, babe. Good work.
Same, I don't like tomatoes. I picked them out of burgers.
Okay. So there you have it, guys. This is it. I've finished the cooking. The makeshift linguine without linguine pasta looks alright, to be honest, and the girls say it tasted not too bad. So I'm quite proud of myself, to be honest. I've actually stuck to something that I said I was going to do. So, you know, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have, please don't forget to like and comment on the video what you think, if you guys would try this recipe at your own home, or better yet, share it with your friends and see what they say. And always, guys, remember, subscribe, support the channel. I'm a small channel, I'm just growing, so you know, every bit of support is important, and I really appreciate all you guys who've been subscribing to the channel in the last few days. Honestly, I'm really happy for you guys. I'm happy that you guys have joined me and you are part of my online family. So guys, I will see you in the next video, which will be on Tuesday. So peace.
Remember, enjoy, never falter, even in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's my tagline. So yeah, here we go. Whew.